Okay, I want to quickly make this tutorial on how to use pancake swap on Trust Wallet to trade shitcoins. It's a very risky trade for you to know, very risky, because some of the trades you can just go at loss within a short time, but then you can still make a whole lot of profit within a short time. First, you go to your Trust Wallet. I have all the security checks on my Trust Wallet. So when you go to your Trust Wallet, this is the first page you come to. This is what you need. But then you ensure you have BNB in your Trust Wallet. So how do I go about swapping? Meanwhile, your BNB you should have is in your BSC, Binance Smart Chain. That's this one over here. I've almost exhausted on my own in buying shitcoins. So how do you swap? You come when you have your BNB or your BSC already. What you do is come to DApp, and then you go to, just scroll down to this place. You see popular, you see pancake swap. So here under popular, you see pancake swap, you click it. So for a first timer, if you are coming here new, you see a place to connect your wallet. You click connect wallet, and then you click Trust Wallet. You see MetaMask, you see Trust Wallet, you see other wallets, and then you just click Trust Wallet. It will automatically connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet to pancake swap. So what you do is, if I have a token I want to buy, someone just sends me one token to buy. So for example, I'm on WhatsApp, I have this token I want to buy. So he sent the contract code and all that. So I copy. When I copy the contract address, this is what I do. I come back to Trust Wallet. Then this is what I do here. You come here, you select currency, and then you paste the address. So the token comes up. You click on the token. Then this is $10 worth of BNB I have there. But then I don't want to use everything. You may have maybe $1,000 worth of BNB, but then you don't want to use everything. What do you do? How do you know the amount of BNB you use? You can use your Binance app to get that, for those of you who are using Binance app, or you can use your calculator, price of the day. Now how do I know? If I come to BNB, I'll just click on BNB, and then I'll click on buy. For example, I want to use $10 worth of BNB. You see total BUSD, that's dollar, actually Binance dollar. So you put 10, and then this is the value of, taking of display, this is the value of $10 worth of BNB. So I'll come back to my Trust Wallet. I have 0.0151. I come back to my Trust Wallet. Here I'll put 0.0151 here, and then this is the amount of Safu Doge that I'm swapping to. There is a little tutorial on how to go about your swapping. There's something called slippage tolerance. This very guy here, if you don't set it low, what happens is that it's like a tax. You pay higher, you get lower amount of coin, and then or they charge you higher for, when you set it high, they charge you higher for the transaction. So what you do is, maybe you want to set to 0.1. The trade will not go actually. If you set it at 10-11%, it will actually go very fast. Then what do? I am the person who taught me. I've been using 0.5. This is what we do to use this is where you set it actually. You come to settings here. Then you see 0.5, you see 1%, you see 0.1%. But your transaction may fail. This is an error message. So I have 0.5, which is a safe one. And then I come here. If I want to make sure that this 0.5 works for me, it doesn't work for all the time. You come to your Safu Dodge here, this very ending part, you cancel the last digit and then you put 1. So if I swap this one now, it will go immediately. Then after you click on swap, I'm not going to swap this, but then it will show another transaction place to confirm swap, and then when you confirm swap, you actually place the order. Now what happens when you bought Safu Dodge and then you want to swap back? Maybe the price has gone very high, or maybe your price is going down and you're afraid you want to leave the market. What happens? You come here, you just switch, press that arrow button, your Safu Dodge goes up and then your BNB comes down. Then you click on max. I want to swap back that 0.130 BNB currently for the values that I have. So same thing applies. First, you approve Safu Dodge for this transaction. Yes, I have to approve it. This is my normal transaction. I haven't approved it yet. So we approve Safu Dodge. It takes a little time, let's say 30 seconds sometimes. Sometimes less than, sometimes 10 seconds, sometimes 20 seconds. They don't take actually doesn't take more than a minute to approve. It costs to approve actually. I hope you saw that $0.18 to approve this transaction. Or this taking longer. I think it's network issues. Okay, it's approved. Now you see swap. You now click on swap and then you confirm your swapping and all that. Meanwhile, always click on maximum here, so it gives you the maximum value of the Safu Dodge, and that gives you more value of BNB. So when you do it like this, you can swap. This is how to use pancake swap. And when you swap, your value, the new value of your BNB comes to your BNB balance, and then you have it in your BNB, which is your BSC balance over here. So this is how to go about it.